Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make buttons work on your website in Carrd. This is essential if you want to direct visitors to your social media, products, or any external links. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to carrd.co. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password to access your account. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your Carrd dashboard where all your sites are displayed. Now, in the upper right panel, you'll see a button that says Plus New Site. Click on that if you're starting fresh, or if you already have a site you'd like to edit, simply select that existing site from your dashboard. For this tutorial, we'll assume you're creating a new site to keep things straightforward. After clicking Plus New Site, you'll be presented with several template options. Navigate to the option labeled Blank Page and click Select. This gives you a clean slate to work with, allowing you to customize everything from scratch without any pre-designed elements getting in the way. Once your blank page loads, look to the upper right corner of the editor where you'll find a plus button. Click on that plus button and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Buttons. This is the element we'll be using to create clickable links on your site. With the button element now added to your page, you'll notice a left panel appears with various customization options. Navigate to the field labeled Label and type in your preferred label name. For example, you could type Go to YouTube if you're linking to your YouTube channel. This label is what visitors will see on the button itself. Next, you'll need to grab the link you want the button to direct visitors to. Open a new tab in your browser and copy your YouTube link or whatever URL you're planning to use. Once you have that link copied, go back to the Carrd editor. In the left panel, navigate to the URL field. This is where you'll paste the link you just copied. Simply click into that field and paste your YouTube link there. This ensures that when someone clicks your button, they'll be taken directly to that URL. Now, if you want to customize the appearance of your button, you can change the background color by clicking the color box in the left panel. Pick a color that matches your site's branding or simply one that stands out and grabs attention. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Done to finalize your button settings. Now that your button is set up and working, it's time to publish your site so others can see it. In the upper right panel, click the button that says Publish this site. This will open up the publishing options. In the left panel that appears, you'll need to enter a title and description for your site in the provided fields. This helps with SEO and give visitors context about what your site is about. After filling those in, scroll down until you see the field labeled Name, which is located right beside .carrd.co. Type your preferred URL name here. This will be the web address people use to visit your site. Once you've entered your URL name, click the Publish button to make your site live. After publishing, you'll see an option to View Site. Click that to open your site in a new tab. Now, test your button by clicking on it to ensure it redirects to your YouTube link or whatever URL you added. If everything works as expected, you're all set. And that's it, you've successfully made a button work on your Carrd website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.